Understanding data types that are used in Modbus RTU is crucial, as Modbus RTU is a communication protocol. Let's examine them. Now we will talk about a little bit of computer science mambo-jumbo. There is nothing to worry about if you are not familiar with them. Just try to understand what a data type represents in real world, and their maximum and minimum values. As you start to use them, they will make more sense. There are two main types: coils and registers. Coils hold a single bit of data, either 0 or 1, representing two statuses on or off. The example on the screen shows how coil bits represent real-world value. The values can be interpreted as on, off, or yes, no, or true, false, whichever pair makes more sense in the application. A register that consists of 2 bytes can represent either an unsigned 16-bit value or a signed 16-bit value. As an unsigned 16-bit value, it can be between 0 and 65,535. An unsigned value in computer science is never negative. Another possibility is that the register represents a signed 16-bit integer. In this case, the number represented can be between -32,768 and 32,767. Although it's not necessary for most applications, multiple registers can be used to represent large numbers if a wider range of values is required. Another data type the registers can represent is float. A float value, short for floating point value, is a way of representing real numbers that can contain fractional parts. It is called floating point because the decimal point can float. That is, it can support a very large range of values by adjusting the position of the decimal point. In Modbus RTU, floating point values are typically represented using a pair of 16-bit registers. Since the Modbus protocol is designed to work with 16-bit registers natively, you can use our free Modbus RTU emulator software to practice your Modbus skills. The details are in the description. Please like and subscribe if you have learned something. In the next video, we will learn how to read input coils.